Hi everyone, welcome to my Halloween series 2024. Today I'll be doing bonus number 6. Today I'll be making breadstick snakes. What all goes into the breadstick snakes? 13.8 ounce refrigerated pizza dough, 1 can, 1 red bell pepper, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 1 pinch poppy seeds, 1 pinch sesame seeds, and black olives. It calls for 1 black olive. I just got the chopped ones because you gotta have small pieces. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. So first thing you want to do is spray your baking sheet, which I've already done. Open up your can of pizza dough. And it scared me. All right, so lay out your pizza dough. Kind of stretch it out. Depends on how big you want your snakes. Now these are actually called rattler snakes for the recipe name, but I'm not putting a rattler on the tail. I'm thinking it's just going to be a snake. First thing we're going to do is we're take a pizza cutter, and I probably won't cut straight, and then just make strips. That one's crooked. I'll just use the fat end for his head, right? Okay, so there's 2 ways you can make this. All right, so take a snake, which is one of your strips, lay it out, and kind of make him into a snake shape, like so. I'm going to shape his head like that. And then you want to take 2 little pieces of olive and make his eyes. Just push that in like that. I think I'm going to make his tail a little twisted. Okay, so there's one snake. He's kind of cute, isn't he? The other way, and then we'll go back to this one in a minute. Take a dowel, take a paper towel, and dip it in some oil, and oil the stick, and then take your snake, just wrap him around. I'm going to move him down a little bit and make a head there and give him some eyes like that. Then we're going to brush our snakes with olive oil. That will help them get browner, and it'll also help them keep the poppy seeds or the sesame seeds on them. I'm going to make the rest of them off camera. Well, I will show you probably how to make his tongue. I'm going to take my sesame seeds and I'm going to put them on these ones here that are on this stick. And if you press them down, they'll stick better. And then I'm going to do the flattened ones. I'll do them with the poppy seeds. All right, I'm going to set them aside, and then I'm going to finish the rest of them off camera. Put your breadstick snakes in a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 minutes or until golden brown. While your snakes are cooking, we're going to make the tongue of the snakes. And we just cut small pieces off, and we make them look like a tongue, like so. Let's do another one here. Just kind of cut a little triangle off at the end. Kind of, sort of. All right, so as soon as they come out of the oven, you'll want to put in your tongue. This guy here, his head kind of fell apart. There are the breadstick snakes with the tongues and the eyes. Let them cool for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to put them on a platter When Dave gets home, we'll do a taste test. I'm going to cook the other 2 batches, and I'll see you at the taste test. Here are the breadstick snakes. They're crawling through green coconut grass. Let's see what Dave thinks.
So are these sweet snakes or savory snakes?
They're just probably more savory. They're just regular breadsticks with poppy seeds on them. Made 2 different ways. You see, the ones are kind of just like a snake shape, and the other one's curlicue.
Right?
So I just made them 2 different ways. They're the
Same
same thing.
flavor? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you make the bread or is this out of a package?
That is pre-made pizza crust.
Oh, okay. Well, it's good.
And then it's got poppy seeds on them. The curlicue one's got sesame seeds on them. The olive eyes and red pepper tongues.
It's good. It would be good sprinkled with sugar or something, or even glazed like a donut.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. But these are good. Like them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.